Welcome to JH. Today we're tackling the monumental task of installing Flex Vision on your Fire Stick, because apparently, the thousands of other apps you already have just aren't enough. First, go ahead and install the Downloader app on your device. Try not to get distracted by the shiny icons on the way. Once that's ready, hover over the URL bar and hit the select button on your remote like you actually know what you're doing. Click into that URL section and type in the code 346420. This is the official shortcut for the Flex Vision website, so try not to mess up 6 simple digits. Hit the Go button and then click Download the app now to confirm. Now, we wait for the application to download. Use this time to contemplate your life choices, or perhaps just stare blankly at the progress bar until it finishes. Once it's done, click the Install button at the top right, and you'll be greeted by a message saying Flex Vision is officially installed. Choose Done, and then click Delete to remove the installation file. Hit Delete one more time to confirm, because your Fire Stick storage is about as spacious as a studio apartment in London, and we need every megabyte. If you plan on actually using this frequently, you'll want to move it to the top of your apps list. From the home screen, scroll over to the Applications icon, find Flex Vision, and hit the menu button on your remote. Choose Move and drag the app to the very top, because we both know you don't have the patience to scroll for more than 3 seconds. And that's it. You've successfully installed Flex Vision. Try not to let the power go to your head.